the best portable clothes washer in the world. Clothes washer is hand-powered, ultralight, and non-electric, but washes your clothes just as well as any big electric washing machine. The patented up and down motion drives water through your clothes with amazing cleaning power. And it's effortless because with our revolutionary design, gravity does most of the work. Clothes washer is a completely new way to wash a small load of laundry at home or anywhere you want to take it. So, if you're living in an apartment without a washer and dryer, or if you like to hand wash your delicates and fine athletic wear, or if you want a more eco-friendly way to wash, clothes washer is your perfect alternative. It's so easy to use in a bathtub, with a sink, outdoors, or anywhere. Just add water and detergent to the bucket. Put clothes in the basket and attach the lid. The up and down motion is easy for teens, seniors, and everyone because our innovative design has gravity doing the work. And the washing power is truly amazing. Remove cap to drain. Add water to rinse. There are so many different ways to use clothes washer. It's perfect for mobile homes and cabins. It's a super convenient way for moms to launder baby clothes separately and hygienically. It's the ideal way to clean cloth diapers outside the family washing machine. It's compact and super lightweight for RV living. It's perfect for the fresh work uniform you need daily. It's a great way to remove tough dirt from construction clothes. And it's the best way to wash pet blankets outside the family washing machine. Clothes washer was meticulously designed to make laundry quick, simple, and easy. It only takes 15 minutes to wash and rinse. The 5-gallon basket easily handles the equivalent of a small load in an electric washing machine, while your hands never touch soapy water or bleach. No other portable clothes washer can perform like clothes washer. We tested all of them, and not one even came close. Just try washing a pair of jeans in any other portable clothes washer. When you wash anything heavier than delicates, they really don't work at all. It can handle 2 or 3 pairs of jeans at once. Clothes washer will pay for itself in 4 or 5 trips that you won't be taking to the laundromat. It's made from virtually unbreakable plastic, and it easily fits in a closet to be a great clothes hamper between washes. Clothes washer is proudly made in the USA and 100% guaranteed to exceed your expectations.